Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. I am your mathematics teacher. My name is Naila Hayat. Today we will discuss the concept of less and more in mathematics. What is less and more? Here is the 4 balloons and 3 threads. 4 balloons and 3 threads. If we match the thread with the balloon, then one balloon is left because there is no thread for this balloon. Okay, so which is the more number? The balloons are the more and the threads are the less. The balloons are the more and the threads are the less. In the mathematics, the number less and more means that there is 31 apples and 35 students, which means that apples are the less and the students are the more. 4 students are more than 31 apples. So, we will discuss this topic from the book page number 54. So, open your book page number 54. One-to-one correspondence. One-to-one correspondence is the skill of counting objects like 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 balloons and 1, 2, 3. There are 3 threads. There are 4 balloons and 3 threads. 4 is greater than 3. 3 is smaller than 4. So, there are more balloon and less thread. Let's do exercise page number 55. Exercise 1.14. Match the objects having one-to-one correspondence and write less and more in the empty box. Now, first of all, we will count. There is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 switches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 wires. Okay. Now, switches are less and wires are more. So, we will write there is less switches and more wires. Then, in B part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 jugs. 1, 2, 3. 3 glasses. Okay. Now, the glasses are less and jugs are more. So, we will write more here and less here. So, student, please do this exercise page number 55 and write these number more and less. Thank you. Now, student, after the concept of less and more, we will discuss the ordinal numbers. What is ordinal number? Ordinal number is the number of positions. When we play a match or we sit in the row, then we will write the position of the numbers. So, what is the ordinal numbers and position? Like, the first one is first. The first number F-I-R-S-T, first. Second, S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Third, T-H-I-R-D, third. Fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. Fifth, F-I-F-T-H, fifth. Sixth, S-I-X-T-H, sixth. Seventh, S-E-V-E-N-T H. 7th. Then after 7 it's 8th. E I G H T H. 8th. 9th. N I N T H. 9th. And the last one is 10th. T E N T H. 10th. Open your book, page number 50. There is the concept of ordinal numbers. An ordinal number is a number that indicates the position or order of numbers. Look at the picture below. Miss Hina is standing in school ground. Each student is at separate position, like Ali is at first position. Here is the Ali. Qasim is at second position. Here is Qasim. Anwar is at third position. Here is Anwar. Adil is at fourth position. Kashif is at fifth position. Ahmad is at sixth position. Hadi is at seventh position. Ahad is at eighth position. Umar is at ninth position. Usman is at 10th position. Okay. Now we will do exercise at page number 51. Exercise number is 1.13. These words tell the position of the boys. Write the names of the each boy in separate box. First, which student is standing at first? It is Ali. Okay. The second position of the student is Qasim. And like this we will move up to the 10th, and at the 10th position there is Usman. So students, practice these ordinal number at page number 51 and write the words and the position. Like Ali is at first position, so in the words this is F-I-R-S-T, first, and position is first. Usman is at the 10th position, and we will write 10th like this, 10 and th, 10th. So practice these pages from your book, page number 50 and 51. Thank you.